चलिए मैं आपको एक कहानी सुनाता हूँ। एक बच्चा है, वो आईआईटी से अपना बीटेक करके एसएसबी के लिए जाता है। उसके बोर्ड्स में 95% है, इवन बीटेक में भी 9 पॉइंटर से अबव है और एसएसबी जाता है। वहीं पे एक और बंदा है जो बिल्कुल बेसिक गांव के स्कूल से पढ़ा है, उसने नॉर्मल किसी कॉलेज से ग्रेजुएशन किया और एसएसबी देने जाता है। उसके बोर्ड में मात्र 60% है, कॉलेज में भी 60-70% है और दोनों एसएसबी के लिए जाते हैं। जब एसएसबी का रिजल्ट आता है तो पता चलता है जो गांव वाला बच्चा है वो सेलेक्ट हो गया और जो बंदा आईआईटी से 95% सब मार्क्स हैं वो सेलेक्ट नहीं होता है। ऐसा क्यों? द ओनली थिंग विच इज़ क्रिएटिंग अ डिफरेंस ओवर हियर इज़ ऑफिसर लाइक क्वालिटी. The boy who was from village have all the 15 OLQs as compared to the boy who was from the city. So army do not look for those people who have high percentile, high marks in their past, but they look that whether you have that 15 OLQs in you or not, and whether you are fit for army or not. So I welcome you all to a new video by Officer's Mind. I am ex-gentleman cadet Suraj Prakash Gupta, ex-NDA and ex-IAMA. I was recommended in my first attempt only from Allahabad 34 SSB. Now friends, we are going to launch a course on the OLQs in which I will be explaining in very detail all the OLQs, how to develop it and where it is seen in SSB. For example, if I will tell you that I will be teaching about effective intelligence, I will be explaining what is effective intelligence, I will be describing all the important parts of effective intelligence, then I will tell you how to develop it. See friends, everyone knows about the OLQ, but the biggest problem which everyone faces is how to develop it. Nobody teaches you this. Even if you go to coaching institute, they will just make you write WAT, SRT and different TATs, but nobody will tell you how you can inculcate this OLQs. And what do you think? Writing all this WAT, SRT and TAT will help you to get selected? No, it won't. You need to have that thing inside your body. You should have all that 15 OLQs inside you. Then only you will be able to present yourself. The assessors are highly qualified. They are not those person who are just like they have started. They can, by your body language only, they can judge that how good you are, whether you are confident or not, whether you have initiative skills or not, whether you are lively or not. So it is very important to understand this OLQ and inculcate in yourself. Now, what is the right time to study about OLQ? See, you have SSB even after 2 years, 1 year. Every person needs different time to inculcate this OLQ. Some can inculcate it within 3-4 months. Some may take 1 year. So what I advise, anyone can take the OLQ. He is in 10th class preparing for NDA, or he is in BTech first year preparing for CDS. Anyone who inspired to become an officer in Indian Armed Forces can take this course and study it. I'll give an example how I have made this course. For example, if I am talking about effective intelligence, I have just explained that effective intelligence is not the same intelligence which we get from the book. It is the intelligence which we use to solve daily problems. Whatever problems which come in our daily life, we use effective intelligence to solve. Now, how to develop it? For example, I have gained a method that there is a pen. Tell me the 5 uses of pen. Okay, you can tell it is used to write. You can tell it can be used to play game. Now what about the other 3? You need to exercise your brain. When you will think too much, even if you ask 10 people, tell me 5 uses of pen, I can bet 8 people will be only able to tell you just 2 uses. Nobody will be able to tell what are the other 3 uses. I will tell you the other 3 uses. You can use it for a straw, you can use it for your self protection, you can use it as your hair clip, you can use it to put that nada inside your pants. So this way, when you exercise your brain, you start analyzing things and you start developing this effective intelligence. In the same way, I have covered all 14 OLQs in very detail. So please go and download our app Officer's Mind from Play Store. You will find the course and enroll today only. Happy learning. Thank you.